What's going on, guys? I'm Rob.
And I'm Tay again, and we are back with a different kind of video.
A different kind of video.
We are here
said
at
it last time.
F8 Sports Cars, man, in the summer 2023. We are at a car meet. We're going to get you guys a couple of good montage video clips. We're about the cars today.
Yeah, just a few shots. We're going to keep this short, and we're going to show you what you came here to see. So, enjoy.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
It's like literally, if you know, you know, bro.
It's very clean, yeah.
Thank you so much. Syria,
This revs at 9,000 RPM, that revs 9K right before it'll blow.
Screaming at 9K, that's too bad.
I want to hear it like holding at 9.
It's on the left too, that's
pretty ahead of its time in
Put
2001.
start on the left side, it's crazy.
Yeah. Who wants to get in?
Let me see.
Who wants to get in?
Yeah, my uncle designed this to fit me. Hell yeah, man.
You get in there, I get in, bro.
How did you find this?
It didn't start, so let's hope it starts again for you guys, but we'll see. Don't take, well, give me a second.
Don't get this on tape.
I'll edit it out.
Let's go pick up some hose.
Right up.
This is a car. That is a car.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Big old air cleaner.
Is that the original engine?
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
Does Vin Diesel come with this?
What's up?
Does Vin Diesel come with this?
Well, that's what we're joking about. Like, we've been driving it around this summer, and I'm like, man, I'm like Vin. He's like Paul Walker. So we got this like.
You guys feel like family.
Yeah, we got this family dynamic going on.
Where did you find this at? I didn't catch it.
My dad and I picked up this car like 10 years ago. It was his neighbor had it in a storage garage for 30 years. Spun bearing the motor. Him and I pulled the engine, got it started, got it running. Then the last couple years it's been out. He has a buddy who works on Buick, so he had it complete rebuild on the motor again, some new stuff in there, and Yep, just got it back this summer. Put some miles on it.
Beautiful, man. I love it.
Yeah.
Literally, I love it.
It's a fun time.
Oh yeah, enjoy it.
People, can you fit back here?
More than the Honda.
We gotta get that.
Like the so they put the hideaway everything on these cars. So you got the hideaway trunk, gas tank.
Oh my god.
There you go, man.
All right, come on, Steve, let's get it.
You don't.
My face on my back on the phone. Ain't been famous for a while, but I'm still up in my zone. And I don't usually smoke, but I'm high on sativa. It's G-word in my tea, I smell like heaven, I'm a diva. In the league so loud, I'ma speak at the echo, and I hear you know where I'm gone. Don't you be blowing up my phone, I'm in a different time zone. Ever since the matter of time, my girls is better than mine. Oh, the band is the good, you am, but you still don't know how to handle your wine. That's probably why you hitting me more. Yeah, I got a rule, cause I done it before. That's fucking the Jones and don't fuck them no more, cause they just fall in love if you fucking afford. Don't get me wrong, I really like it when we're vibing. When I'm in another city, shh, be quiet.
Did you get a big Naruto rat?
I'm gonna get something, but imagine that one that looks like a holographic one right in the back window.
Calling my phone, bitch, you got me gotta go home, bitch. Came out all of my phone, bitch. These numbers eating my phone, shit. The tricks they got it. Trip City, she's still on it. Switch trips when the week she saw it. Speak to my ass, I can put my charms, and they felt like one, she called it. She called me the phone.
Brother, it is now raining.
Out of here, man. The rain's coming.
Yes, sir. That's Robin Tay, over and out.